Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, first I would like to say sorry to all of you because I am not giving lectures from last 2 months because I was ill, I was sick, my family was got in trouble, so that's why I didn't give lectures properly. But I promise you, I will give in the same manners, continue the past papers of ADMAS. What I did in last lecture, we did till question number 22 of the topic past papers differentiation. Today I am going to start question number 23. What is this question? A cone of height 8 cm and base radius 6 cm is placed over a cylinder of radius r centimeter and height h centimeter and is in contact with the cylinder along the cylinder's upper rim. The arrangement is symmetrical and the diagram shows a vertical cross section through the vertex of the cone. Part 1. Use the similar triangle to express h in terms of r. Very easy. Make the data first. Cone height is given 8 centimeter. Cone radius is given 6 centimeter. Cylinder height is given h centimeter. Cylinder radius is given r centimeter. Now see, the height of the cone is 8 and the height of cylinder is h. So you may write height 8 upon h is equals to radius 6 upon what? This is r, this is 6. So this should be 6 minus r. So 6 minus r. Cross multiply 8 into 6 minus r. H into 6 is 6h. 8 6 are 48 minus 8 into r is 8r. 6h and divide 48 by 6 minus 8r by 6 is equals to h. 6 8s are 48, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 8 minus 4 upon 3 r is equals to h, or you may write h is equals to, taking the LCM 3, it will be 4 upon 3, 6 minus r. So this is the answer of part 1. Use similar triangles to express h in terms of r. So h is equals to 4 upon 3 multiplied by 6 minus r. What is the next part? Hence show that the volume of the cylinder is given by V is equals to 8 pi r square minus 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Hence means we have to take the help from previous part. So this is the question. So what is the volume of cylinder? V is equals to pi r square h. So V is equals to pi r square And what we have find h is 4 upon 3 6 minus r. Very easy. V is equals to pi r square 4 upon 3 into 6. 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8 minus 4 upon 3r, and V is equals to 8 into pi r square is 8 pi r square minus 4 upon 3r into pi r square is 4 upon 3 pi r square. So this is the requirement. The volume of the cylinder is given by V is equals to 8 pi r square minus 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Sorry, r square into r is r cube. This is r cube. Okay, student. Now see the next part. What is next part? Given that r can vary, find the value of r which gives a stationary value of v. Find this stationary value of v in terms of pi and determine its nature. This part has 6 marks. So very important part, but very easy, no issue. So first write the value of volume which we have find in previous part, 8 pi r square minus 4 upon 3 pi r cube. First find the derivative of v with respect to radius r. 8 to the 16 pi r minus 4 upon 3 into 3 pi r square. 16 pi r minus 3 cancel, 4 pi r square. Now to find the stationary value of v, we must substitute 0 instead of dv by dr. So 0 is equals to, taking common, what is common? 4 pi r. So 4 for the 16 minus 4 pi cancel r. So this implies that 4 pi r is equals to 0 and 4 minus r is equals to 0. So r is equals to 0 from here and r is equals to 4. Obviously radius cannot be equals to 0, otherwise the whole thing has finished. Therefore the stationary value of radius is r. Find the value of r which gives a stationary value of v. This is the answer. Find this stationary value of v. Now we have to put, first write the formula of volume again, which is 8 pi r square minus 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now find the stationary value of v. We have to put the value of r is equals to 4 in the question. 8 pi 4 square 4 upon 3 pi 4 cube. 4 square is 16, 16 8 is a 128 pi minus 4 upon 3 pi 4 cube is 64. Taking the LCM, V is 3. 3 into 128 is 384 pi minus 64 into 4 is 256 pi is equals to 384 minus 256 is 128 upon 3 pi. This is our answer. What was the requirement? The requirement was find the value of R which gives a stationary value of V. The value of R we have find 4. Find this stationary value of V in terms of pi. So the answer is 128 upon 3 pi. And determine its nature. So in order to find the nature, first we have to write the derivative. dV upon dr, we have find 16 pi r minus 4 pi r square. Now find the double derivative. d square v by dr square. 16 pi r is 16 pi. 4 to the 8 pi r. Put the value of r4 in this equation. 16 pi minus 8 pi 4. 16 pi. 8 4s are 32 pi. 32, sorry. Minus 16 pi, which is less than 0. So the nature is should be maximum. What? Maximum. This is the answer, whole answer of part 3. So it is 6 marks, then 1. So see carefully. The whole question depend on part number 1. Use similar triangles to express h in terms of r. This question came in October November 2015, paper 2-1 and 2-2. So if the answer of part 1 is wrong, then the whole question is wrong. So be careful. Student, this is our today's class where we did the whole question 23, and in next lecture I will finish the topic of differentiation. Only 2 questions are left, 24 and 25, and after this I will do another topic of ADMAS past papers. So I request all of you, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.